Hey everyone, and welcome to the Justice Pro Network's Daily Deep Dive in 5. I'm Aisha.
And I'm Aiden. Today, we're diving into some critical updates from the Justice Pro Network, all about advocacy, impact, and justice.
First up, let's talk about expedited removal. It's a really complex part of immigration law, and it's vital for attorneys and immigrants to really understand who's exempt.
Yeah, absolutely. So, who exactly is exempt from expedited removal?
Well, Aiden, individuals who've been inspected and admitted to the U.S., even if their visa has expired, they're generally exempt. Also, those who can prove they've lived here for 2 years or more also have an exemption.
That's good to know. What about special cases?
Unaccompanied minors, those under 18, and Cuban nationals who arrive by airplane are also exempt. It highlights the need to protect vulnerable populations.
And what kind of documents should people keep to prove their residency?
Lease agreements, utility bills, bank statements, medical records, even postmarked mail. Keep a secure folder and make sure those documents are readily available in case they're needed in court. Being prepared can really make all the difference.
Moving on, Aisha, let's talk about naturalization. I know it sounds like a great thing becoming a citizen, but are there hidden risks that immigration attorneys need to be aware of?
There can be, yeah. For those with a clean record, it's usually straightforward. But if someone's had run-ins with the law, there are higher stakes. USCIS is really scrutinizing backgrounds more closely now.
So, what should attorneys do to protect their clients?
Attorneys should conduct detailed background checks, prepare clients for inquiries into past convictions, and advise them on meeting residency and moral character requirements.
It sounds like staying ahead of potential issues is key.
Definitely. Plus, it's not just legal. It's deeply emotional for applicants. Attorneys need to be empathetic and supportive as well.
Okay, next topic, client hearings. What are the essential questions immigration attorneys must share with their clients before they go into a hearing?
This is super important. Clients should always ask, why is the government requesting to dismiss my case? And what circumstances have changed in my case? Finally, what are the consequences for me if my case is dismissed?
Why are these questions so crucial?
They allow for clarity, highlight any leverage the client might have, and ensure everyone is prepared for any potential next steps. Immigration court can be incredibly emotional, so feeling prepared can make a big difference.
Absolutely. So finally, Aisha, trade deals, what's the connection to immigration law?
Well, with President Trump's ambitious trade deal timeline, there are concerns about transparency and potential impacts on civil rights and immigration policies.
How so?
New trade agreements can really influence labor laws, worker protections, and immigration policies. The push for these expedited deals might lead to less stringent labor protections, which can affect immigrant workers.
What can people in the legal field do?
Stay informed, advocate for transparency, and engage with your representatives to express the importance of safeguarding civil rights and immigration amidst these changes.
All right, Aisha, that was a lot to unpack. Thanks for breaking it down for us.
Of course, Aiden. And thank you all for tuning into the Justice Pro Network's Daily Deep Dive in 5. Make sure you stay informed, stay engaged, and keep fighting for justice.
See you next time.